E.W. MacAllister was offered the opportunity to start a Caterpillar tractor company. I took that opportunity, and it's grown ever since 1945. MacAllister machinery covers multiple different divisions, from power HVAC to pump and shoring, heavy rentals, all the way from cut saws, large excavators, to equipment that'll take you 185 feet in the air or more. Palmer has really become a partner vendor for us. Part of the decision when we start breaking down the components of a truck is first and foremost the dependability and the performance of those products that are going into it. They understand the importance to getting that truck back on the road. They continue to communicate during that process. So it's not a start call and then, hey, your truck's done. You get updates, you get support. They've really become a partner to the MacAllister team and the success of what we've been able to develop for our delivery system, not only in Indiana, but Michigan as well.